Hari Om students, welcome to online session. Before going to start my session, I will show some pictures. These are the pictures. While you are seeing these pictures, how do you feel? What do you feel? I think you feel very proud. Not only you, I will also feel proud. Because in all these pictures, if you observe carefully, these are all representing the greatness of our country and how will you show love towards our country. So now I am going to explain about I love my India. Now in this session, you are going to know about the location of our country, the boundaries of our country, the neighboring countries of our country. Generally, if anybody asked where is your house located, you will say it is in Maipadu, in the Kurpeta, Kottur, like that. Now, where is our India is located? Our India is located in the continent of Asia. You know very well, there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. If you look at in these pictures, see this is our country. So it is located in the continent of Asia and Asia is the largest continent and India is the 7th largest country in the world in area and the 2nd largest in population. But at present due to COVID-19 in future maybe population will be decrease. Look at these two pictures carefully. See here I am showing with the red mark this white part which I am showing with the red. These are all mountain ranges and these mountain ranges are on the north direction of our country. These are called as Himalayas. In Sanskrit language, Himalayas means house of snow. So, India is surrounded by the mountain ranges in the north. These are called as Himalayas. In previous slide, I showed about the Himalayas. Now in these two pictures, I am going to show about the southern part of our country. See, with red mark, I am showing here also. See, this is southern part of India and it is called as peninsula. Why it is called as peninsula? One side land and 3 sides. That means west side, south side and east side. So, in 3 directions oceans are there, in one side land is there. That is called as peninsula. So, the southern part of India is called as peninsula and is surrounded by water bodies. What are those water bodies? East side Bay of Bengal, west side Arabian Sea and in south side Indian Ocean. If you observe carefully, the peninsula of our southern part is in triangular shape. I think you know very well in mathematics the triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. So in the same way our southern part of India is like a triangular shape. India shares land boundaries with some countries. These are called as neighboring countries. Generally, neighbors means who are living beside our home. In the same way, India has some neighboring countries. I will show in these pictures. See, in west side, Pakistan, Afghanistan. In north side, Nepal, China and Bhutan. In east side, Bangladesh and Myanmar. In south side, Sri Lanka and Maldives. These are all our neighboring countries of our India. What are they? Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Our country has two southernmost points. They are Kanyakumari and Indira Point. See, look at in these two maps. This is Kanyakumari and it is the meeting place for three oceans. West Arabian Sea, East Bay of Bengal and South Indian Ocean. Not only that, this Kanyakumari is famous for Hindu pilgrim place and it has beautiful view of sunrise and sunset. And here it is Indira Point. It is located in the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Hope you understood today's session. We will meet in the next session. Thank you. Hari Om.